Skaters, I'm Dirty Deborah Harry with the Dirty School of Skate and Sugar Roller Skates. I'm here at the Fountain Valley Skating Center today to talk to you about how to do a 1-foot spin. Today's video is brought to you by Wicked Skatewear. Wicked Skatewear is located online and here in person in Huntington Beach, California. You can find them online at wickedskatewear.com. You guys, go see them. They've got the skates, they got the plates, they got the wheels, they got the toe stops, they got the bearings, all the apparel you could possibly need. Tell them I sent you. Promise they'll take good care of you. All right, skaters, so today's video is about 1-foot spins. I very much hope you already watched my video about 2-foot spins, but if you haven't, I'm gonna link it below so that way you can get kind of up to speed. Remember, as always, when I teach you something, if you are not yet at the level to complete this particular task, no problem. Just listen to the video because I'm here to plant seeds for future development, okay? Alrighty, skaters, let's get ready and do a 1-foot spin. That just means simply 1 foot in the air while turning. It's pretty simple, right? Now, when we do our 2-foot spin, right, we're just moving around like this. You see my little feet moving. And as I move my feet faster and faster, I can go faster and faster, right? Now, if I focus, I can bring 1 foot up and spin, just like that. Now I have to spend 2 to 3 minutes unwinding my brain. Guys, I'm a little dizzy. Okay, so that's what we're gonna work on today, a simple 1-foot spin. I think that really the easiest way to get into a 1-foot spin is going to do a little bit of a spread eagle right before you get into it. So it's gonna look like this. We're gonna skate forward. I'm going to spread this way, turn, and bring the foot up and around, just like that, okay? So again, let me show you what we're gonna do. We're gonna skate forward, put weight on my lead foot, transfer it to my follow foot, bring it around and in. The main focus that I have while doing this is I'm thinking this knee needs to come in and meet the other knee to pull everything in nice and tight. My lead foot for me is going to be my left, then right, then pick up the left and bring it in. You, however, may be right to left, bring right in to turn. Okay, so pick a side, people. You gotta pick a side. You could just mirror image me. Again, let's try this again. Make sure we get this straight. Ready? We're gonna skate forward. We're gonna go to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right. I put weight down on the left, over to the right. As soon as I have my weight here, pick up the left and turn. All right? Let's talk about the edging that needs to happen when you do this. When you actually get into your 1-foot turn, I do this on an inside edge. I want you to look very closely at this leg that's on the ground, that stays on the ground. You will see my knee pushing prominently over my big toe so that I can get on this inside edge and carve around with it, okay? And the other reason why you'll see me dun 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 dun, I think it's so much easier to do something before you're doing something. I don't like to just, okay? I like to ease into things, okay? So I'll tell myself 5, 6, 7, 8, skate left, skate right, skate left, skate right. I've got an appropriate amount of speed. I push down left, transfer right, lift, and turn. My focus is to get this knee over to the other knee and keep everything tight. But let's talk about top to bottom. As always, chin is up, head is straight, shoulders are straight across, snacks are tight, right? Okay, let's look at it again. We're gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll go left, and right. I bend my knees down left, shift right, up and around. Okay, did you see that from the back side too? Ready, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're gonna go left, right. Weights on the left. Turn my head, drop right, pick up left, knee. Right here. I'm thinking, knee. Your knees need to be tight together so you can hold that spin. I'm almost exaggerating it so that you can really see it, okay? That's why I have my leg kind of up like this. All right, so again, we're gonna go through it. I like to make it look fluid. I like to make it look pretty. I know there's a few out there that would like to make it look pretty. If you don't, dirty it up all you want, but I'm gonna make it look pretty, all right? Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll go left, and right. I skate down, left, transfer right as I look over my shoulder and pull. Did you see what I did with my arms? If I bring my arms in, I'm simply telling the rest of my body that I want to keep moving. I want to keep turning around in circles. As soon as I extend my arms out to the side, I'm signaling the mind and the body that it's time to stop. Okay, so let's focus on that. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to go left, and right. Send it up, drop it down, put it out. Just getting rid of some speed. Left, drop right, bend, and spin. Shall we look at it again? I feel like I could just do this over and over again. You could just look at it, and imitate. If you understand that your lead foot, whether or not that lead foot is your left or your right, the weight goes on the lead foot, transfers to the follow foot, and the lead foot picks up the knee, swings it back towards the other with the arms coming in, and you're going to be good. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Go left, and right. If you're going too fast, push down, push out, get rid of speed, bring it together. We're gonna go left, look right, bring up the knee, arms are in, and there you have it. All right, skaters, listen, this is not easy. For some of you, you're gonna be like, yeah, no dirty. I'm not going to be all left, right, up, down, out, down, look lean, la, turn, knee, butt. I'm not going to do any of that. For some of you, you may just have to start working like this. I'm doing a 2-foot spin. As you can see, I've got heel up, toe up, right? And then you're going to have to tighten up your snack area, and you're going to lift. Boom, you can do it just like that. Let me show you that again. And I want you to see what I do with my arms. When I bring my arms in like this, honey, I ain't doing it just to look good, and I hope you think I look good because I feel good when I do it. I bring it in order to keep these shoulders straight across and keep this snack area nice and tight. Okay, so let's try that again. So the easier version, or maybe the beginner version of this 2-foot spin, is we're going out, heel up, see, heel up, heel, toe. I'm getting fast enough, right? I bend down, I'm gonna put weight on my right foot, lift left, bring it together, boom, there you go. Okay, so skaters, those are those 2 ways you can do it. Right? Let me know how this works out for you because I really want you to try. But please know that I know how difficult this is. It's going to take practice, but all you got to do is put your headphones on, go somewhere that you feel is safe, debris free, and focus on practicing over and over and over. Do not be disappointed if you turn and you're like, that's it. One solid turn with your foot up is a complete and utter victory, okay? So don't worry about that. Just keep it going. All right, skaters? So I really, really, really want you to be successful. Let me know what you think. Write some stuff in the comments. Please share. You guys, and I want to say this one thing I forgot to say. Are we over 200,000 subscribers on this channel? Are we at, as of this morning, over 207,000 subscribers? For those of you who've been with me a while, that is crazy talk. Am I right? That's crazy. Craziness. Anyway, I'm super excited and I'm so grateful. So if you haven't hit that subscribe button, just throw it down there. Hit the bell. I got lots more good things coming up. All right, skaters?